Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Speedway. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and also on step index. If you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can use the comment section to drop anything that is not clear to you or to ask any question that is bothering your mind. You can drop that on the comment section. As you see today, I'm going to teach you how you can only trade with step index and make above $200 daily. How you can trade step index and make $200 above daily. As you can see, this is my main charts. I have my 1 hour time frames here, and I have my indicator window, which is this. So stay tuned with this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to share the settings of this indicator. So let me teach you how I make it possible for my own account. I'll trade this step index and I make above $200 with this strategy. As you can see, my indicator involves the overbought level and the extreme overbought. When I have my weighted time here, and I have my oversold at this level, and I have my oversold at this level, and I have the extreme also at this level. As you see, when my trade comes to this level, like what you see on this chart currently, as you see, when it's oversold, then the market is telling me that I have an opportunity to enter into a buy market and buy for long period of time. So if you're a trader that you always trade for long period of time, I will advise you to use 1 hour time frames to trade with this indicator. And if you're a trader that you can only trade with 5 minutes and 15 minutes, you can also make use of this indicator. So I'm going to share with you the settings of this indicator at the end of this video. So let's check how this indicator really works. So now, as you can see, I have my 90 level and my 80 level. So from this level, the moving average that I have respects my 90 level at this age. When you get to 90 level, it's going to what? It's going to sell down on the what until it reach the 10 level. You see that? If you also check for more, you can see we have a what? A buy entry here at this level. As you can see, a buy entry from this level. So when the three moving average agree to meet at my 10 period, at my 10 level here, then I enter the trade and I take my trade to this level. Then I make my above $200 daily with this indicator. So if you can check for more better, you will see in 1 hour time frames, you know how much that will be in 1 hour time frames. You see, the three agree to meet at my above 80%, 80 level, and what it moved down to this level. You know how much this will really cost in 1 hour time frames. And also you can also trade by using your 15-minute time frames, by using your 5-minute time frames with this strategy. As you can see now, we are on 5-minute time frames, and this is respecting my strategy. You see that it's respecting my indicator here. So all the three moving averages agree to extreme oversold at this level. So from this level now, when you take your buy entry from this level, so the market is going to what? Is going to skyrocket up to this side, as you see that. And also let's check for more confirmation. You see from this level also we have the zone from here that the three moving average agreed on this level, and which is this same level at this point, which is this same level. And if you enter this particular trade and come and trade it down to this level, you know how much you will have made on that with your 5-minute time frames. And also, if you see, this strategy is very accurate, it's very perfect. This will really help you as a beginners and as a pro. You see, it respects from this level to this level, and which is this level, you see, from this level. So if you take this trade now, you will have taken it up to this level. You see, you can use this to buy and sell at the same time. You can use it to what? You can use it to enter the market at your own really convenient time. You see, it respects it a lot. It respects it a lot. We have our weight level, which is our 50 level here, to see what the market will really do. Maybe it's going to go up or it's going to go down. You see that? So let me show you the settings of how this indicator works. You can also use it on 15-minute time frames. You see, on 15-minute time frames it also works. You see, from this level, you show that the three moving average agree at the same point, which is my 90 period, and you also agree on this place, which is my above 80 period. You see it from this level, and you see that from this level. So if you really enter a selling entry from this level, you will have take this trade to this level and you will have make a lot of money with that. You see, so let me show you the settings so that you also can have it on your phone and start using it to catch your money every day. So with this, I have my main charts and I also have my window. My main charts, I have my three half moving average there. The moving average one on my main chart is the period of 13. You just screenshot this particular place, you just screenshot it and press on done, and also move to the second moving average. The second moving average period is 50. We have the shift to be 0, we have to be method to be this, we have applies to close. You choose any of your color and you press on done. We will move to the moving average of the third one, which is 200. The period is 200, the shift is 0, and you choose any color of your choice. You just screenshot this particular settings and do it on your phone, and move to your indicator window 1. We have our relative strength index. Our relative strength index is having the period of 1, is having applied to close, we're having our style to be in what, in red color, and our level to be in 10, 20, 50, 80, and 90, which is my oversold, weights, overbought, and my entry. So you can screenshot this place also and set it up on your phone, and also you can press on done. Then move to the first moving average of the first one on the period of 8, shift of 0. So screenshot this and press on done. Then move to the second moving average on my window 1. Then the period is 5, the shift is 0, apply to close, then choose any color of your choice, press on done. Then on the moving average of the last one, we have the period of 13, shift of the 0, method of this, apply to close, let it be in close, then choose any color of your choice, then press on done. So by doing this, you will have the settings on your phone, and you will have had it on your main chart. You see, so by doing this, you can easily trade. You see, now this thing is respecting the strategy. As you can see, it has reached this maintain 10 level. Now you are free to enter the trade, to take the trade to this level. So by doing this, now you can achieve by making $200 above in only trading step index with this strategy. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also you can also drop your comments below this video, and also share more light on how this really works for you at the end of this video. Thanks.